I'm Marina, and I'm engineering manager for the worldmate, the so-called shippers in the Ship.Cars company, and I'm with the company almost 2 years on this position.
Hey, my name is Daniel. I am with the company for 8 years now. Started from the support team. I led the support team for quite a while. Then I transitioned to a product team. Currently sitting as a product manager for everything that is carrier facing. So this is the load board, an application for drivers, and TMS for their dispatchers. I had a neighbor the other day ask me, how come you stayed in one company for 8 years? I actually told him that there have been quite a few changes, not only within our company, because we went from privately owned to a big holding company that we are today, but also the industry. When we started introducing software products for carriers, we were not the first, though the market was pretty small. People, they were fighting back. They didn't want to transition from paper to digital. And it was like a mission for me to kind of show them it is better, it is easier, and with that change would come better business for them, because from paper transitioning to digital, you can then use that data for your own business decisions. We're now talking about AI. So a few years ago, we were talking about how digital is better than paper. Now we're talking about AI better than anything else.
Whenever you face a change and you are used to do something this way, but the nature of the human response is fight back, is push back. And this is our job to win their trust, to show them, as Danny said, that this is gonna help their business. It is the prioritization, as always, this request and this request and this request, and to fulfill our customers' desires in a way that nobody is left out, finding a solution that may not fit them all, but at least help them all. In technical perspective, it is probably the adoption of AI, but we are way ahead of this. We are now integrating agents in our software development cycle, and we have great experts in Ship.Cars that are helping others to transform and to learn and to adopt. So it is not a challenge, but it's something interesting that is happening right away.
We will be testing different solutions, because right now it's new for everyone, even for us. It's not like we have 100% certainty that the certain functionality that involves AI with agents and stuff will get 100% adoption or revolutionize someone's workflow, because this industry is really fragmented. So we are talking about shippers and then carriers, but then within those two groups, we have hundreds, thousands of companies, each having their own operations, their own processes and stuff. So when we introduce something, we're trying to make it work for a broader group of these companies, but then each individual of them has some specifics. So it will take us time till we get to the point where that could work for the industry as a whole. Should I say that when we talk about AI may be more of a marketing term. When we talk about AI and integrating AI, we actually have something, I think, better than just integrating an AI tool that we can use. We have a machine learning team, group of specialists that working now for years in our industry. They have the domain knowledge. So we have quite a few products that span from this team. They use algorithms, they use AI, the whole package. Everything started with a rate engine. That's how we call it. It is a tool that is meant to give a shipper a great sense of how much would it cost them to transport a vehicle or fuel. This uses a tremendous amount of data and a tremendous amount of calculations for watching ahead because when you want to know how much would it cost to transport a vehicle, you're actually asking for how much would it cost next week or next month. That's where machine learning kicks in. We integrated in the past a tool for vehicle inspections that was helping drivers complete a vehicle inspection because they have to mark any damage, any imperfection a vehicle has on the bill of lading. We also have, again, that's machine learning for transport optimization, where when a dispatcher is planning a trip, we have a tool for them that is helping them not only optimize the route, but also when they create a trip with all of the loads, when they get picked up and then delivered, we calculate where is the trailer traveling with an empty spot. Even if there is one empty spot, we're looking for something to recommend that carrier to fill it up. Like between here and there, you have an empty spot, so we're here to make sure you fill it.
And the machine learning team, another implementation of the team was the so-called order intake agent, which is actually helping you to request and make the so-called loads. So you send an email and it automatically creates, you don't have to log in. It is actually helping you to do your work and to make your requests faster. And again, as Danny said, this is not on one AI tool and okay, this is the AI and go fetch. But this is an actual implementation of the teams behind, and it is using machine learning and AI, but not a single tool per se.
It's easier for people who don't work with machine learning to understand that it's a pretty massive piece of technology and a lot of algorithms and, well, maths.
Algebra and yeah.
We also use machine learning for security. So there is one trend. We call them bad actors. They try to infiltrate accounts. And we take great responsibility to protect both sides, because working with hundreds of companies, we don't know their processes. We don't know how secure each of their accounts is. Like an inbox could be compromised. Then from that inbox, someone may get access to a carrier's account. And then we should know when there is an opportunity where there is something suspicious. And we have ways to know that a carrier is acting kind of
fishy.
Yes, strange, with irregular activities, or they're now trying to bulk a load that is outside of their usual route. So all of these things, we have a whole system that is raising flags. We do have then ways to follow up with those red flags and make sure we verify that we can confirm there is something suspicious here, and we have automated processes for what comes next. So security is a big thing, and machine learning and AI is definitely helping us automate a lot of that.
In our team, we have actually 3 colleagues from DreamX. We are one team. To be completely honest, I do not treat the colleagues from DreamX like outsiders. 2 of them are the longest team members of my team, actually. So they are the domain knowledge holders. And it's actually pleasant to work with them because, as I said, we are one team. And if we struggle with something, if we have a challenge, like an incident on production or something like that, everyone is responsible and they are ready to help right away. Actually, one of the guys in DreamX is quite fast. And some other people, they were joking that no way he's doing this alone. Probably he has 10 more guys behind, helping around. I like working with them. And as I said, one team, contractors, there is no line there. The communication is quite open, not only with the team members, but with DreamX. At least my communication so far was honest and open. Okay, I have this problem, let's schedule a meeting, let's catch up. And it's really important to keep this way, the open communication. I think that it saves tons of problems.